We are at 19 Cumberland Street building on the second floor, and we're going to take a look at apartment number 6. It's a small studio. So as you walk in, you're in the living area. Here's the living space. You have a kitchenette, sink, 2 electric cooktops, you have a microwave, and a fridge. It's pretty good cabinet space here. And this is a front-facing unit, so it's facing Cumberland Street. Above the bathroom entry, that's the heating unit, heating and cooling. And here you have some storage. Some drawers, bar for hanging, you can put some more things on top, and some shelves here. And then this is the bathroom. And you have a walk-in shower here. There is some more storage to the right of the fridge. It's the front door here. And again, we're just on the second floor, so you're only 1 flight up from the entry. So here we are back on the first floor. This is the front door. This is 19 Cumberland Street in Boston, Back Bay. It's a dead-end residential street. And you can see how close it is to the Prue. So this is the entrance into the building. Front door is locked. And in this entry area, you have mailboxes. This is the entrance into the building. There are a few apartments, well, 2 apartments on this floor, some more upstairs. And we're going to take a look at the laundry. There's another apartment down here, and this is the laundry. It's stackable, 1 washer, 1 dryer.